Hi dear children, welcome to our biology class. The bridging classes we discussed about the contents that you studied in the previous classes. From the 8th standard, you will study the basic science into physics, chemistry and biology. Do you know what is biology? It is a branch of science which deals with the study of living things. This is your first chapter, Life Mysteries in Little Chambers. Contents in the chapter. This chapter is about cells, microscope, preparation of slide, cell components, difference between plant cell and animal cell. Children, you studied about cells in 6th standard. What are the things you studied about cells? The cell is the structural and fundamental unit of life. The cell are mainly two types, the plant cell and animal cell. There are different types of cells in our body. Example, muscle cell, nerve cell, blood cell, etc. There are cell organelles seen inside the cell. They are different in structure and function. Okay children, let's start our first biology class. This is the picture of compound microscope. It's from your textbook. Let's study about parts of microscope. A compound microscope has 6 major parts: eyepiece, knob, objective lens, stage and clip, condenser and mirror. The microscope more than one lens is used are called compound microscope. The function of a microscope is to magnify objects. Let's look into parts of the microscope and their uses. The first one, eyepiece. This is the part used to look through the microscope. This lens the viewers looks through to see the specimen. It is used to magnify the objects. Magnification power of eyepiece can have 5x or 10x, meaning it is larger in 5 times or 10 times. The second one, objectives. These are major lenses and for specimen visualization. It forms a magnified, real and inverted image of the object. The magnification power of objective lenses are marked as 10x and 45x. Next one, knobs. Knobs are used to focus the microscope. There are 2 types of knobs. The large knob, or it is also known as coarse adjustment, and there is a small knob, or it is also known as fine adjustment. Next is stage and clip. This is the section on which the specimen is placed for viewing. They have stage clips. Hold the specimen slides in place. Next one is condenser. These are lenses that are used to collect and focus light into the specimen. They are found under the stage of the microscope. They play a major role in ensuring clear, sharp images. The higher the magnification of the condenser, the more the image clarity. Next one is diaphragm. It is found under the stage of the microscope and its primary role is to control the intensity of light that reaches the specimen. Next is mirror. In the microscope, the part fixed below the stage is to reflect light on the material to be observed. This arrangement, which is fixed in a metal ring, has 2 planes, a plane mirror to reflect sunlight and a concave mirror to reflect artificial light. Now let's look into the conclusion. The compound microscope has 6 main parts: the eyepiece, knob, objective lens, stage and clip, condenser and mirror. The eyepiece, this is the part used to look through the microscope. Objectives, these are major lenses used for specimen visualization. Knob, to focus the lens to the object. Stage and clip, used to place the slide and fix the slide firmly to the stage. Condenser, control the light. Mirror, reflect the light to the diaphragm. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.